Okay, friends, now I will talk about box models, and we have an exercise about how we can create boxes by using CSS. First of all, let me write CSS part, style, type. Okay. Now, since I'm going to create box, I will write some text and I want to group that text. What I mean with that, in the body part, for example, I will say CMPE 342. But here I will, we can have more, words here, okay, doesn't matter. I want to group this text, so I will use div, okay? So by using div, this is block level element, and I am grouping the words here, okay? Let me refresh it so you can see it. Okay, this is invisible block, invisible virtual block is created. If you give color, so you can see it, but now I didn't use any color, so it's invisible virtual box. Okay, now how I can create the box? First of all, let me give some features to my div element. So I will say div, and let's say I want text to be aligned center type. Okay, so it will be justified according to the center. So all text will be at the center. Then I can say width is 50%. It will use 50% of the page to display this div block. And I can say position is relative. And okay. And for the border width, let me give border width also. Border width can be, let's say, 5 pixels. Okay? Okay. This is my div. I am saving it and refreshing it. So everything is here, but it's not finished, okay? It's not finished. It's not finished. So I'm going to define different classes. So I will try them and you can see the differences. For example, let me define the double class. For this class, I will use border style is, for example, double. Okay? And for my div, I grouped the text here. I will call the class and refresh it. Okay? Okay. We have some other, let's say, styles. This is one of them, double. Let me declare a few more classes about border style. I will change it to, for example, the other style can be, let's say that rich. So I can use rich. The other one can be, for example, dotted. We have more actually. I will try some of them. Dotted. So here, let me save and refresh it. Okay. For this class, not double, I will use, for example, rich. You see, the border is changed, border style is changed. Let's use dotted. So you can have various types of, let's say, boxes. You can also use border width. You can change it to, thick, medium, thin. For example, let me write a class for that. For example, I want to use thick. And for this class, I will say border width is thick. And in my class, I can say thick. Okay, refresh it. It's by default thick, so no change. But if we change it to thin, so you can see that the border width is changing. So you can declare more than one classes, thin, medium, thick, and you can try them. For example, let's define medium, and this is border width, and you can call, instead of thin, you can call medium. So it will be medium. Okay. And the other thing is color. So it's also possible to define border color. Here, let me say border, sorry, let's say, for example, aqua. And for aqua, I will say border color is aqua. And I will also use that class here and refresh it. Okay? So it's possible to create various types of blocks. Any question? Okay. Now I will give you time to practice it.